Hey guys, it's Perry here and I'm back with another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Kiaitre, if I'm pronouncing that wrong, so sorry, but this is the Kiaitre ring lights. Brought to you by Run Deals, and if you didn't already know, Run Deals has a really great app where if you download it, you can get access to a lot of really awesome offers for products, a lot like the one we're about to open right now. So let's check it out. I'm just gonna break it down. It has 3 adjustable different light settings. Okay guys, so just a quick view of what it looks like in the box. Comes with some instruction manual, a tripod, a phone stand, and some attachments to hook it all together. So let's put it together. Okay guys, this is a pretty awesome tripod. Really good quality. So once you get the tripod standing up, and you just kind of have to adjust the base because it comes all tightened up, but just adjust it to a way that works for you. This is about what's good for me. And then we're gonna attach the ring light on. Really nice big round ring light, so can't wait to see what it looks like after we've turned it on. Really long cord too. Okay, so we're just gonna start screwing it on. And now we've got it screwed on nice and tight. Okay guys, so far we're in awesome shape. It's standing up, it's looking amazing. And it comes with a remote. So this connects to this. So we're gonna now be able to attach the phone holder. And you just clip it. That little doohickey-majig. Okay, so awesome. And then it's adjustable, so you can move these back and forth. And then let's see how bright it is when we turn it on. Okay guys, so wow. I don't know if you can see, but it's so bright. It's emitting such a strong amount of light. Let's check out the different settings. Okay, so the first one that we just had it on was like a golden light. This is LED. And then this one is kind of a mix between the gold and LED. Back to gold, LED, and the mixture. And then you can turn it up and then all the way down, so you can make it so dim as well. So guys, awesome ring light, awesome quality, comes with a tripod, comes with a remote, comes with a phone holder, basically everything that you could need. So, and it just adds so much brightness. So definitely recommend this product, the Kiaitre ring light by Run Deals.